What's the meaning of abrasive? Abrasive. 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 The word abrasive can be used to describe a substance or a person. As a noun, it refers to a material that can be used to grind, polish, or clean another material by rubbing it against it. As an adjective, it describes someone who is harsh, rough, or irritating. An abrasive person may be difficult to get along with because they are often critical, demanding, or insensitive. Here are some examples of how the word abrasive can be used in a sentence. The mechanic used an abrasive to clean the rust off the car's bumper. The teacher's abrasive personality made it difficult for students to learn. The politician's abrasive campaign ads turned off many voters. In general, the word abrasive is used to describe something that is rough, harsh, or irritating. It can be used to describe a substance, a person, or an action.